If you are looking for brown paper for void fill or wrapping, then our FillPak eco-friendly paper packaging system gives you an economical all-in-one solution. The eco-friendly FillPak craft paper can be used as void fill for the gaps in your parcels, thus securing and cushioning items for transit or storage. The time-saving perforated paper is very simply fed through the compact, manual lightweight machine, or else can be crumpled by hand. The FillPak manual machine is a conveniently small size, saving you storage space, and the height can be easily adjusted for any user to operate. It also comes with an adjustable table clamp that can be anchored onto any work surface. The paper is also easy to store. The 15-inch single-ply craft brown paper, which is made from sustainable materials, also works really well for wrapping and general packing, making the whole FillPak system a cost-effective packaging and paper solution. The paper is flexible to adapt to any awkward shapes or sizes and eliminates any unnecessary spaces in your package, making sure that the product stays secure in shipping. In addition to our FillPak paper, we have many other packaging solutions. For more information about our complete range, go to packagingtobuy.co.uk or click on the link below.